Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce an app. It's called Face Swap Magic AI Avatars. So basically this is a professional comic or cartoon avatar using AI face swap technology. So you can see the name of the Face Swap Magic AI Avatar. You can download this app from Google Play Store or App Store, and you can see the rating of the app 4.5 out of 5 and 14k reviews. 10 megabyte size of the app. It's really short and light, and like 1 million plus people already download this app. Like if you want to see more like feature attractive avatar styles, capture essence craft art, explore anime style, embrace fresh style, publish and engage with social community, and realistic AI portraits. So you can see it looks pretty cool. Start your AI adventure, and before and after you can swap your face, then how it looks like. And if you want to know about this app more, then you can see there is some key feature, and like you can see the app is released February 2024. And if you want to see what people actually think, like I just installed, I love this app. I can even see through the ads to see the end result. So many people said it's really good, you can use. I will create more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorial. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.